humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan. Dear brothers and sisters, I extend a warm welcome to episode 51 of Sri Satya Sai Ashtotram. Wishing everyone a very happy Krishna Janmashtami. Om Shri Sai Punya Phala Pradaya Namaha. Salutations to Shri Sai, who is the bestower of the fruits of merit. In the 12th shloka of the 5th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the Lord has declared, Yukta karma phalam tyaktva shanti mapnoti naishtikim ayuktaha kamakarena phale sakto nibhadyate. The inner significance of this verse is, a karma yogi, that is, one who pursues the path of action, offers the fruits of action to God and attains eternal peace. And a person devoid of yoga has unending desires and is attached to the fruit. So, he gets bound. When Swami Amritananda first met Bhagwan, he was 85 years old. On seeing him, Bhagwan said, Come, Amritam. Swami Amritananda's guru, Sri Ramana Maharishi, alone used to call him in that loving way. Bhagwan not only blessed Amritananda, but also asked him about his participation in the Ganesh Yag at the age of 7. On hearing this, Amritananda said, I was only a 7-year-old child then. How can I get a reward for that? Bhagwan then blessed him with an effulgent darshan of Sri Ganesha in himself and rewarded Swami Amritananda for the merit earned. Another example is that of Sri Pandurang Dikshit. When he was in his mother's womb, Shirdi Sainath had bestowed blessings on him. Later, when Dikshit heard that Sainath had reincarnated as Sri Satya Sai, he, along with his family, went for Swami's darshan. He secured Bhagwan's grace through his melodious voice. Wherever Swami asked him to go, he travelled there and spread the fragrance of Sai's glory. He went all over Maharashtra and enchanted people through Nama Sankirtan by singing beautiful and melodious Sai bhajans. Whatever merit he accumulated, Swami granted him the reward. Whenever any calamity struck the Dikshit family, Swami showered his grace and protected them, thereby making their life joyous and peaceful.